All right, here we are on our next stop. We're in Williamstown, Kentucky, and we're going to see what the first cruise ship was like.
Mhm.
They call it the Ark Encounter, and it's a life-size replica of the Ark, and we're going to go in there and see what that's like. We're just traveling across the country, seeing different things that we can see, and just kind of hoping you're enjoying our little journey along with us. And we're just enjoying time together and enjoying our little trip. And Hannah gets to enjoy a dad joke every day, like today's dad joke. You want to hear today's dad joke?
No.
She's enjoying them, right? So today's dad joke is, did you know that Noah was the first pirate? That's why he called it the Ark. Ark. All right. Well, let's go see inside, see what that's like. How big is it, Hannah? Do you think you could build all this?
Not without help. Alright, so we were going to get a kind of penny here to commemorate the occasion, but unfortunately, we live in a fallen world and it's out of order, so apparently they say they will restore order there as soon as possible, so...
Have you ever wondered, if Noah or his sons or daughter-in-laws or his wife ever got hungry or thirsty during their hard working days feeding the animals, they had a concession stand. That's pretty genius, huh?
I know, right?
That's pretty cool.
They had refrigerators.
They had refrigerators. They even had exit signs. So what else do they have here?
Wallabies. And those are wallabies.
Yeah, this is a petting zoo. And you can kind of walk through and pet wallabies if they come up to you. Yeah?
They're pretty lazy.
You like animals, huh?
She tried
You'd probably be a good zookeeper.
So apparently you're not allowed to pet the kangaroos or the wallabies if they're not on the sidewalk, but you are allowed to if you cross the sidewalk. So earlier I just saw a bunch of kids as a kangaroo was crossing the sidewalk. A bunch of kids just swarmed the kangaroo and just started petting it.
Did it scare it off?
No, it looks like the kangaroo kind of got annoyed.
I went in there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so we just left the Ark here. We had a lot of fun. We got to see a lot of really cool things. And now it is raining.
It's raining pretty hard.
We left the Ark. Now it's raining, so we need to probably leave, find some shelter before it floods, huh?
Probably go inside the Ark before it floods.
Yep. All right. See you on the next adventure.
See ya.
Ooh, that was thunder. All right, we gotta go.